All right. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back here at CyberTrading University. Ready to get started for this Monday afternoon. Let me just do a quick audio check if everybody can hear me okay. Just want to see if everybody can hear loud and clear. All right, perfect. All right, good. Nice to see you, Chuck. Good to see you, Grant. All right, guys. So we had a really good morning. Couple of things. One of the very few that worked out in a way that I was actually taking a little bit of a hit this morning. We'll talk a little bit about AMC, how that all worked out. And I mean, the rumor was that it was supposed to get bought out from, was that Cinemax or something like that? And the thing just tanked. It went from 410 all the way down to 310. And then we had a nice little rebound. We'll talk a little bit about that. There was also a couple of stocks. Ruby was pretty good. AMPC, PC, a couple other stocks out there. We're going to check them out and go into this afternoon. I don't know. It doesn't look like there's that much out there, but there are a couple of stocks that are going to be moving. So we'll play it by year. I like the afternoons. It's just easy to follow them, and get that trend. And then in the mornings, obviously, you get more volatility. So we got a couple of stocks. I just want to touch upon it. I want to start off with the AMC trade. So AMC, I bought it. I sold it, took a loss, bought it back again, took another small loss. Thing dropped down to $3. There was a huge iceberg order at $3. That's when that stock hit this bottom. I bought it back at like 310, 312. And you could see it ran all the way to almost 340. Bought it, got scared, bought it back, paid more for it, made back what I lost, ended up making some more. And I was trading some large lots. I mean, stock trade 60 million shares. So it was pretty easy to get in and out of the stock, which was not the worst thing in the world. Couple of the stocks that you guys did really well on too in the cyber group room. We'll start off with the Ruby, RUBY. That ran from $7 to $14. Came right back down to $9. Another short squeeze right there. That's the only reason why. But the only thing I did not like about Ruby is this wasn't as easy to trade as AMC. Stock, you could see tier size is very, very small. It's got a very big, very hard to get in and out of it. So you had to take a big risk. Listen, when you have stocks that have bigger spreads, stocks go up a lot faster, a lot more. You just don't have to trade that many shares. VERU was another one that moved pretty nicely, gapped up. Went from 850 up to 11, and then kind of died, but only that first hour. ANPC was the other one that had a great pre-market. This is the one that we traded earlier. Ran from 570 all the way to $10. Another really, really nice move there in the pre-market. But then she come crashing down. So that's what you missed in the morning. A couple of stocks moving right now. We're going to check them out and see them. First of all, a couple of stocks I would want to keep an eye on. AMD is one of them. AMD is just on a tear. Okay. Let me tell you, I don't know if anybody has kids or whatever, but like the two biggest Christmas gifts that like my kids want is a new video card. NVIDIA, look at NVIDIA's almost at 530. This thing has been just an animal. They make probably the best video cards out there for computers and for gamers and their technology. AMD's also has got a really great chip, really beaten up and finally caught up to Intel, really taking Intel to the house and really destroying it because they've got a great chip out there. So a lot of these chip stocks are doing unbelievable. And AMD, obviously, you could see it. But the only issue is it's expensive. But I know you guys were looking at it this just before. One of the stocks on the more or less expensive side, BCDA. Here's one that started a little bit late, a little bit on a slower mover around 10 o'clock, was on 350. But now she's got a nice little uptrend. She's up 136%. She's got a couple of little shakes right here. She's got a decent tier sizes. You can see over here on level 3 that you got some good iceberg orders out there. I see a 16,000 share seller at 690. You see not really any big iceberg orders on the bid, but I could see that there's some nice resistance levels out there with those icebergs, but it's not like we're looking at 10s and 20s and 100,000s. So just be very careful on that one. I'm always cautious more than anything. This one had a nice move this morning too, SOL, but she's starting to back off. She's got some couple of buyers I'm seeing here that keep refreshing right around the 680. You could see it tested there around 12 o'clock. It's coming back there again. Not a huge mover, but something that will pay the bills if it continues to trend what it's doing. And then obviously CALX is another one. Nice little trend, $25 stock, went all the way to 28, all the way up to 29. Nice little mover there also. But keep an eye on the tier sizes. Very, very, very thin there. So you can't trade that many shares of it. All right. So Jerry says, how about the IZ? Was it the IZEA? The IZEA, is a penny stock, Jerry. It had a really good pop right there. She finally went below $1. You could see it's very hard to kind of see it on level 3. So, I mean, this thing is just crapped out. This thing is done. I would stay away from it. All right. Anything else I'm missing, cyber traders? Anything else? TYSM. They spelled it wrong. TYSM. It's not coming up. VERU. You know what? I saw the VERU, but it hasn't gone anywhere, Chuck. It's kind of flat. That's the only reason why I wasn't too crazy about it. Fossil. Blast from the past. Nice short. Stock's getting crushed. It's got plenty of room to go a lot lower. You see it's got some big support levels right around 8. The trend is your friend. Don't buck that trend. But Fossil, if it's on your short list, going very weak going into the close, looks really, really good. All right. Sol, I mean, it's up 25%. I saw it on the watch list. Like I said, 680 is where we're at with that one. We are, like I already mentioned it. All right. Okay, guys. So you got about 20 minutes. We're gonna start commentary in about a little after 3. We got somebody here on YouTube is asking me about A-Bus. A-Bus, nice push, nice trend, like the stock, nice move. I'll throw that on there. All right. Blue Sky, whoever you are, ABUS is definitely would make my watch list right there. It's up about 20%, 9 million shares, decent trend, good iceberg orders, good call right there. All right, what else we got going on here? Anything else? Oh, we got one more here. I want to share HEPA. Nice little trend, inexpensive stock, up 12%. It's not up a lot. She's not really moving that much. That's the only disadvantage. So you have to trade a lot of shares, 4 million shares. But who knows? The stock looks like it's a little bit of a gap fill right here. Probably might test maybe $2, but not a terrible stock right there. HEPA. Just it's really slow. So if you're a level 1 trader and you're afraid to do a trade, this might be right up your alley. Okay. All right, cyber traders. I'll see you back. Let's get ready for commentary. If you're watching me live here on YouTube, Facebook Live, you want to come and join us, just like us, friend us on the bottom, and then we'll see you back here. We're here every morning at 9 a.m., and we'll be here back in the afternoon at 2:30, and it is being recorded. All right, guys. Thanks very much. Good luck. Happy trading. We'll see you in a little bit.